rice.
One cup of grated raw mango. 3 to 4 slitted green chilies, few curry leaves and some chopped coriander leaves. One bowl of cooked rice. 1 small-sized sliced onion. 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds rye. 1 tablespoon of peanuts mournfally. 1 tablespoon of chana dal soaked for 15 minutes. 2 pinches of hing. Salt as per taste. Hit dye and add 2 tablespoons of oil. Add peanuts and fry. Remove and keep aside. Add mustard seeds. Add soaked chana dal. Add sliced onion. Sauté them. Add green chilies. Add curry leaves. Stir fry. Add hing. Add salt. Add grated raw mango. Mix and cook for 2 minutes. Add rice. Mix well. At this point, add fried peanuts. Sprinkle chopped coriander leaves. Give a nice mix. Turn off flame. Tasty raw mango rice is ready. Tasty raw mango rice is ready to serve. Do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Explore and cook.